It's about 15 years ago. I applied some different kind of gels over there, and I feel like my hair was like getting thinner and thinner. I felt like my confidence was losing, and I feel totally shy going out. I usually wear cap on that time. Actually, I tried a lot of treatments before that, like a lot of oils and shampooing things, but it didn't work. And today, because my wedding is near, so that's why I decided now to apply this hair toupee. Totally different look. I never seen myself like this. I feel that now I can take more selfies with my hair. I didn't feel that it's not my hair. So it's totally very comfortable on that time, and I feel now it's a game changer thing. Put me more confident so that I can face a lot of people now, like without hesitations. I will surely recommend this super hair pieces because I feel that it's gonna change everyone's life now, so that they feel less hesitation like going out, or if they have some kind of anxiety about going out, so they can overcome this thing. Super hair pieces really changed my life.